Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding education information on the Facebook app on your profile. So if you're on an iOS or Android phone, you want to go ahead and modify that information. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. So go ahead and select that. And then underneath settings and privacy, you want to go ahead and expand that and select settings. And now you want to go underneath audience and visibility, select profile details. Education, you can select add college or high school. And then you go ahead and fill in that information, search for the school, and then if you graduated or not, and as well as the start and conclusion date, adjust the visibility as well by selecting the little drop down here. And then once you're done, it should save and it will appear in your education list. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.